Hey, how's it going, guys? So today's video gonna be super special because I'm gonna be using my F150 Lightning as intended, and that is a fumeless generator. And I've been hired by a cinematographer named Ivan, and he's gonna be doing a music video out here in this parking lot, and I'm gonna be powering all his lights. And one of the lights he's using, I believe, is a Aperture P300C, and that is a 360 watt light, and that's just one of them. And it shouldn't be a problem for this vehicle because this one generates up to 2400 watts. So it should be easy peasy, but this is the first time I'm doing a production like this with this F150 Lightning, so I have no idea what to expect. So this is gonna serve as a lesson learned video, definitely going forward. So come along for the journey. What's going on, buddy? The front has like basically everything you need. That's all your outlets here.
Oh, that's great.
And then this turns into a cooler, but I didn't bring any ice. So you have like 3 cars coming?
Yep.
And they're gonna be parked right here. So we're shooting that way. So I'll move my car. So I'll need to park right here. Yeah.
I mean, we have the permit, so I think.
Oh, you got permit?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, Ivan, you're so professional. I knew you would. I'm just kidding. Let me move my vehicle. Let's see here. All right, so we currently have 94% battery. And let's go ahead and turn this on. Run powered. So the vehicle power down is not gonna happen until the set limit is reached. So let's make sure. So when I have 10 miles left, it's gonna stop the whole entire battery, so which is fine. So currently I have 274 miles. That's good. All right, go ahead and hit me that at 100%. It's the spec on the haze though, 400 watts.
In 3, 2, 1, action!
Time is, wow, 9:54, guys. And I'm still at 93%. This is insane. All right, so that's a wrap for this scene.
Yeah, that's a wrap.
So we're gonna do something a little bit different on the next scene.
Yeah, something.
Stay tuned. Safety first. We're just gonna go in the parking lot in a circle here, right?
Cool.
Now we're at a gas station. Ironically, I'm parked right next to the pump, so I can power the whole entire scene over here with lights. So scene 2. Look at that gas price. That's a wrap. All right. So that was a pretty cool video shoot. So before I tell you about the lessons learned and the cost of operating this vehicle generator, let me ask you a question. How much vehicle battery do you think we had left by the time we finished the video shoot? Now, just to recap, we started with 94% battery, right? From beginning of the shoot where we start figuring things out and plugging things in to all the way at the end when we finished it, it was about 4 hours. Now, keep in mind, I did make several circles around the parking lot, so 80.
Yeah.
And hint, not even close. So at the end of the night, we had 91% battery left on this vehicle. Now, this vehicle is a standard range F150 Lightning, which comes with 98 kilowatt battery. So 3% of that is approximately 2.9 kilowatt hours. Now that I say it out loud, it makes sense, but you just have to be there to feel it. And the amount of light that was just illuminating out of this vehicle, it was tremendous. It did not feel like I was only gonna spend 3% battery. Now, I did charge this vehicle before coming to this video shoot, so I spent about 46 cents per kilowatt hour. Sounds like a tiny little bit, but that's like the premium size. So if I were to charge slower charger, it would be cheaper, but that was one of the faster chargers. So really, the whole entire video shoot spending 3 kilowatt, it's less than $2. Now I'm gonna be super transparent. I charged Ivan $65 an hour for this. Now the real value really is on the vehicle itself. So it's not a common vehicle. F150 Lightning, at least this year and next year, it's gonna be very rare vehicle, and the vehicle itself did cost quite a bit of money. So if you guys want to know exactly how much I paid for this vehicle, I have a video about it right here. You could rent a diesel generator with similar costs, but problem with diesel generator is that yes, they smell first of all, and they make a lot of noise, and it's not as transportable, right? So it's cool if they just drop it off in one location and you fuel it as you go. But if you need to like move around in different locations, like imagine the possibilities with F150 Lightning as a video production generator. You could go to like freaking beach off-road and do a music video there. You could go on top of a mountain. So overall, the experience of this was so smooth. I don't have a ton of like lessons learned. I definitely have something to improve upon from my perspective. Is I would love to bring like a smart power strip that I can read how much power is getting drawn out. Every time I wanted to check on the wattage, I had to come inside the vehicle and look at the center console, right? Or maybe even bring one of these. Hold on. Yeah, this device right here, it's called Kilowatt P3. It's a pretty simple, inexpensive meter where it tells you kilowatt hours, it tells you ampage, wattage, like everything you need to know. So I'll be testing this device out pretty soon on my channel. And the second lesson learned really is bring bug spray. The amount of light you illuminate out of this truck to like do a video production, it's freaking bright, right? So in the summertime, especially like this, I mean, like I got bitten up so much. This is not post-workout swell. This is all bug bites. So other than the bug bites, everything went pretty smoothly. I want to give a huge shout out to Yvonne and Kayla for hiring me to do this really cool video shoot. The artist they filmed, he goes by Militia. So when they're done with this music video, if you guys are interested in what that looks like, check out Yvonne's Instagram right here. Thank you so much for watching until the end, guys. If you liked this video and thought this was pretty cool, please give it a thumbs up. It would be a huge, tremendous help for this channel. Until next time, guys, charge on.